How to increase bet in Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the level up. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here, there are different modes that you can select from. So here, I'm tapping on one. Now, in order to level up or change the mode, here on the top, you can see different items that are available. So these are different categories that you can select from newbie to VIP room. So this is the place where you can even change the bet. So VIP room means the highest bet that you can give, and newbie means the lowest bet. So if you are a pro player, you can directly go for VIP room and earn higher rewards. So make sure that there are high risk and high returns in the game. Now simply select the game and tap on go. So the game has started, and now you can start spinning and start earning the coin. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.